While relaxing in the private, landscape, spacious backyard of the city of Waupaca bungalow, you realize just how fortunate you are. The sliding glass doors lead you to the commanding view from the towering wood deck, giving you a bird's eye of your raised vegetable beds, perennial gardens, fire pit theater, and paver patio below. The expansive privacy of your backyard is matched only by the comfortable confines of this 1925 Majesty. Entering the foyer, you are met with an easy as Sunday morning feeling. The warmth of this transition space beckons you to look further toward the cozy flow of the living and dining room. Craftsmanship abounds through the built-in flanked bookcases, virgin oak buffet, hardwood flooring, and untouched molding throughout. The traditional sunroom of the bungalow has been converted into an additional office or exercise room. The spacious ceramic tiled kitchen, equipped with stainless appliances, is conveniently located off of the entertainment area. The first floor half bath can easily be expanded to create 2 full baths for added creature comforts. The original staircase leading to the second floor is amber lit with a pair of artisanal bronze candle sconces. The second floor hosts 3 spacious bedrooms, each with ceiling fans splashed with daylight and closet space to spare. The updated full bath inhabits the second floor dormer space efficiently and conveniently. This move-in ready property has it all: easily maintained vinyl siding, detached 2-car garage, wide paved driveway, a 3rd-acre lot, walking distance to downtown, and all of the charm and character you could ask for.